Some robots were built to serve, and some robots were built to move. But the most curious thing is that behind the machines, there are two completely different worldviews, and they're about to collide. Today I want to show you 10 jaw-dropping curiosities about the humanoid robots from Tesla and Unitree. Patterns almost no one notices, but that reveal how each brand is trying to reinvent what it means to be useful, or to be fast. First curiosity. Tesla's robot was built for simple tasks. Unitree's was built for extreme agility. While Optimus folds clothes, the G1 runs at 7 km per hour. Second curiosity. Optimus is being tested in real factories. G1 is already walking the streets of the United States. One lives among machines, the other among people. Third curiosity. Optimus follows voice commands. G1 learns through exoskeletons and reinforcement. One listens, the other imitates. Fourth curiosity. Tesla wants robots for mass production. Unitree wants robots for research and mobility. One wants to automate, the other wants to explore. Fifth curiosity. Optimus is still a prototype. G1 already has a price tag, around $16,000. One is a promise, the other is a product. Sixth curiosity. Optimus uses generative AI for basic tasks. G1 uses dynamic control and demonstration learning. One understands what you say, the other understands how you move. Seventh curiosity. Optimus needs predictable environments. G1 adapts to uneven terrain and obstacles. One depends on order, the other masters unpredictability. Eighth curiosity. Optimus wants to be invisible in daily life. G1 wants to be accessible and present. One wants to function, the other wants to circulate. Ninth curiosity. Optimus represents the robot that will help you. G1 represents the robot that will walk beside you. One is a tool, the other is a presence. 10th curiosity. Optimus could be in your company in a few years. G1 could be on your sidewalk in a few months. One changes work, the other changes coexistence. These curiosities aren't just technical differences. They're clues to two opposing philosophies, robotics as service, and robotics as mobility. If any of these ideas help you see the future more clearly, comment, "I see beyond the machine." And subscribe to the channel. Because the world is starting to understand. Not every robot was made to look human. Some were made to move in ways no human ever could.